Welcome to the SAP Business One usability series on resizing Windows. There are a number of ways to resize and optimize a Windows view in SAP Business One. Let's open up a purchasing document. To maximize my window, I simply select the Maximize icon. You can see that some of the columns are wider than others. Here you are able to manually adjust the column size by simply dragging the columns to the space that you want them. By navigating to View, you can then restore your column widths. The system cancels any manual changes to column widths in the tables and restores the default table settings. By selecting View, Fit Column Width, the columns expand to the size of the window. You are also able to expand the table within the window. And this is particularly useful when you want to view many line items. These are just several examples of ways to resize and optimize your window view in SAP Business One.